People have such a hard time finding good sounds inside of Ableton, so I'm here to demystify that and help make everyone's life a lot easier. First of all, you can just go to your browser and click on samples, and you have all these like alphabetically organized sounds that just don't make sense. So there's a couple ways you can do it. First of all, you can just go into the search field and type in like ambience .wave or .afe, and this is kind of the old school way to do it, and now it's just showing you words or samples that have the word ambience in them. But the more modern, better way to do it is click on samples and open up these filters. Maybe I'm looking for a loop, maybe I wanted to have some ambience in it, and I can just start listening to these now with my preview button on. Like, I like that sound, that's pretty cool, but maybe I want to find some other ones that are similar. I have this similar sounds button right here I can click, and Ableton is going to search through my entire library and let me preview sounds that are similar to that one. Like, that one's nice. I'm going to drop that in. Now when I drag it in, all I need to do is turn on warp mode, make sure it's looping if I want it to loop, and I can adjust the clip gain as well. Let's check that out. Now, if I like that, a really cool thing I can do then is I can open up my tag editor and I can start creating custom tags for that particular sound. Like maybe that sound in particular is a loop, and maybe I even want to add some other stuff to it. I can call it cinematic. Now, once I've added that cinematic tag to the type list, I can choose cinematic, and then later on when I'm searching through my samples in my sample directory, I will have cinematic available automatically as a tag. That's slick how that works. You have other characteristics and qualities you can search for, and this is going to make your life a lot easier. When you find a sound you like, open up Edit and add some tags to it. There's all sorts of cool tags you can add. So this is simple. I strongly recommend utilizing the key tag, which is down lower down here, as well as maybe any sort of custom words you like to search for. I do like live performance loops or drum and bass drums. You can start customizing all your tags, and as soon as you create any custom tag by hitting add tag, it shows up as a filter here for you to use later. Now, in addition to that, don't forget that you also have the collections categories up here. Like if I find something I like this sound is pretty cool, I can go ahead and right-click on it and change the color. I can even use key commands to change those colors, and I can customize what those collections are by hitting Edit right here, and I can show and hide them or just rename those categories. Pretty nice, huh? So that's how you navigate and manage your sample library in Ableton, and I hope this makes finding new sounds that you never knew you had a lot easier, and you can make great music without so much stress trying to find the right sounds or buy new plugins. All right, this is JP at Slam Academy. Hit us up if you want to learn more about the best practices to making great music within Ableton Live. SlamAcademy.com.